Now we are discussing order of operations. And before discussing that, we have to keep this thing in our mind that we have some order to do the operations of maths. Okay, like by BIDMAS. This is for brackets. Let me write this in this some brackets. Arrange square brackets. Indexes, that's the part of the square value, the four. The powered values are in indexes, and the division, and then times to multiply, addition, and then the subtraction. We have to look forward to these methods. Okay, we have to keep these arrangement of doing the operations. Okay, like for example, in first 12 minus 2 square 3. Okay, so first of all, we don't have any brackets, so we move on towards the indexes, and the indexes is 2 square. We can write it in this form. All right, so then we don't have division, so we can move towards the multiplication, that is 12, and then we got the answer 0. Okay, by moving along with the order operation. Let's take out another example. Two square 5 divided by 3 and then 10. All right. So we have to work on the brackets first. Yeah. And in brackets, we have the indexes. So we have to look forward towards the indexes, and then we got the 9 as the answer. So you can just remove the brackets over here. So after that, brackets are removed, indexes are removed. We look forward towards the next operation that we need to apply. That is division. Okay. So 9 divided by 3, that will be 3. So we can write the rest of that in the same form. So after division, there's more multiplication over here. So we can apply that. 6 times 3, 18. All right. So over that, after that, 4 add into 18, that would be 22. 22 minus 10, we got 12 as the answer. So in this we can apply the order of operations. Let's check out the fraction values and apply the same operation, the order of operations. Yeah. 3 over 4 divided by 9 over 10 times 4 over 5 divided by 2 by 3. Okay, so first of all, we have to look forward to the division and then the multiplication. So over here you can see that we'll apply this. And I told you the method of doing this. 3 times with 10, 4 times with 9, 4 times with 3 and 2 times with 5. So over here we can easily cancel out the terms because they are all involved. They all are in the multiplied form. So we can easily cancel out the cancelling values. 3. We can easily cancel this 2. And so the answer that we got is 1. Yeah, that's amazing. Okay, there is another question, a bit tricky, but you can do it. Like we have to insert the brackets in the operation to make the answer correct. And we have to see. We can do that without doing any rough work on our sheet, like in our mind, that how can we get the answer? Yeah. 5 times 1, we got 2. Oh, no. 8 subtract with 2, we got 6 in the answer. Yeah, 6, and then add up 5, 7. Yeah, I got the answer, I think. But we got negative 2. We have to get positive 2 over here. Okay, let's work out with one more thing. If we put brackets over here, yeah, we get 3 times with 2. Alright. So again, if you put brackets over here, you get 6, and the answer we got is 2. So that's the right thing. So we have to put double brackets over here. Okay, let's check out the example as well. Over here we have to put the symbols on brackets as well to get the answer 5. Okay, let's see. Here 6, 2, 4 equals to 5. Okay, what do we need? That if we make this as 20 and divide the answer by 4, we get and times it with 12 and then add up into 8. Yeah, we got 20. So the answer is 5. So these are the order of operations that we need to keep in mind.